Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is super exciting because we are unboxing not one but two amazing Peppa Pig toy sets. One has Peppa's whole family and the other one includes all her wonderful friends. Alright, this is Peppa Pig's family toy set. Let's open the box and meet everyone inside. Let's see who's first. Oh look, it's Peppa Pig. Hello, I am Peppa. This is going to be so much fun. Now, next we have George. Dinosaur. George is Peppa's little brother and he never goes anywhere without his toy dinosaur. Now, let's see who's next in the box. Aha, it's Mommy Pig. Remember to play nicely and be kind, my little piggies. And then here's Daddy Pig. Let's build something fun after lunch. Oh, but wait, there's more. Let's see who's hiding at the back of the box. It's Grandpa Pig. Peppa, George, want to come see my boat? And last but not least, Granny Pig. I brought some fresh cookies for snack time. Wow, just look at the whole Peppa's family. Peppa, George, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, Grandpa Pig, and Granny Pig. Now you are ready to create your own Peppa adventures. Let's go on a family picnic. Thanks for unboxing with us. If you loved meeting Peppa's family, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Peppa Pig fun. Bye everyone.
BookTube Kids.